Hi, this is Ron Grove from Evanoa IT Services and rongrove.com, and this is just a quick review of Windows DVD Maker. Frequently get questions on, particularly on whether if they update to Windows 7, if there's anything interesting, particularly Windows XP users that they might find of use. Home users in particular might find Windows DVD Maker a worthy addition or a worthy reason to upgrade their systems. You can make very nice DVDs from all of your home movies and pictures, and we're going to kind of go through and see how you can do that. We'll select a bunch of pictures here, and those are going to go in as a slideshow. Going to go ahead and add another item. We're going to come into videos and select their wildlife video. And I'm just going to move the wildlife video up first. We can have priority be on whatever we want. The DVD title, I'm going to change to something a little more interesting. Our Wildlife Collection. And over here in the bottom right, we have an options button, which is very important. You're probably not going to change the DVD playback settings. That's going to, for 99% of the application out there, you're going to leave with start with DVD menu. Now, DVD aspect ratio is a different story. If you're not familiar with that, 16:9 is what all the new TVs are these days. So if you don't care about old TVs, or you don't care that it looks a little funny with the bars over the top and the bottom in an old TV, then you can leave it at 16:9. If you want it to look better in both of them, or at least have some options in the newer TVs and how you want to view an old 4x3, you can do that. I'm going to leave it at 16:9. Don't worry about Windows format. NTSC is US, PAL is Europe. I'm sure if you're in Europe, it probably selects PAL for you automatically. We won't look at some of these other options. You're probably not going to need to change any of that sort of thing. We're going to say OK and next. So by default, this menu style is what you get. You have a whole bunch of options here on different types of menu styles that you might want to use. So for our wildlife collection, I think I'm going to select travel, and we're going to use that menu style. I can hit preview at any particular point in time, and it'll give you an idea of what you're going to see. So everything slides in. You got your title right here, our wildlife collection. I'm going to say OK. And I think I'm going to change the menu text. I want some notes. And I'm going to say these are custom notes explaining things to future generations. And you can see over on the right hand side a preview of what you'll get when you click on that notes button right there. So we're going to change the text. We notice notes are added to our initial preview. I'll go ahead and just do a quick preview of it so we can see what happened here. Everything slides in. I click on notes. And we get our custom notes. Click on the bottom button down here and it'll go back to our initial screen. Say OK. Now we can customize the menu. We can change the fonts a little if we don't like the font that came with the actual theme. I'm going to leave those alone. But I am going to change the menu, the audio track. I have this sample music, and we're going to select the made music here. And we're going to go ahead and leave the button styles. See, these button styles right here can be changed. You can make it a cloud. You can see the little preview over in the right hand corner. Make it a little cloud right there. Rectangle performance. Whatever you want. Doesn't matter to me. We'll leave it as rectangle photos. You want to play around with things, get it just the way you want it. and then we can select the slideshow. Actually, we'll go back. We'll say don't change. Let's preview now and see what it looks like with our music. Alright, a little jumpy, but it'll sound really good in the actual video. That's only because I'm working on a virtual machine here. This is actually Windows playing inside of another application on a Mac. So if it's a little jerky for video operations, that's why. This isn't the optimal environment. It should go much better for you if you have a actual Windows PC that you're working everything on. Let's go ahead and do the slideshow, and let's say for slideshow we want the kalimba music here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and my transitions I want random, so we could do cut, dissolve, flips, all these different things. I'm going to say random, and we're going to change our slideshow. And now let's go ahead and preview what we have. So it comes up with our menu theme, everything slides in, we got our title, we have play, notes, scenes. Let's go ahead and click on scenes. And here we have the option to watch our video if we want, or we can watch our slideshow of the different pictures. And notice now we have the kalimba sample music. The transitions are different each time because we selected random. And we can go back to our menu anytime. At this point, I've pretty well gone through and customized all of the different things that are of interest, and I could hit burn now, and it would burn a DVD. So hopefully that gives you a reasonable overview of what's available to you in the Windows DVD Maker in Windows 7. If you didn't know it was there, this is a great little way to go ahead and make DVDs. Obviously, there's much more sophisticated programs out there by third parties, and if you want a lot of fancy features, by all means go out there and evaluate those third-party programs. But if you purchased Windows 7, you don't have to get any other applications in order to be able to make a nice little DVD of your own home movies, your own video, pictures, and slideshows. You can create them very easily on your own, as you've seen in this video, and anybody can do it. It's really a very simple application. I hope you enjoyed the video and the review of Windows DVD Maker. Thank you for coming by rongrove.com, and we hope you come back soon.